Today's our topic is inserting a picture in Microsoft Word. In previous class, you have to learn what is Microsoft Word, uses of Microsoft Word, starting MS Word, components of Microsoft Word, exploring file tab, creating new page, opening, saving a file, exploring home tab, font style, font size, bold, italic, and underline. Now let's start our work. So first we type Microsoft Word in search box and click or select Microsoft Word. Our window will be appear on the screen. To inserting a picture, we have to click on Insert tab, Layer tab, File tab, Home tab. Now Insert tab, this is Page Layout tab, Reference tab, Mailings tab, Review, View tab. This is called title bar. Just below of it is called ribbon bar. Ribbon bar contains many tabs, File tab, Home tab, now Insert tab. If you want to insert a picture or in your document, first you click on Insert tab. Here you can see option Clip Art. Click on Clip Art. On the left side you can see a left pane or Clip Art box. You can type desired picture's name. I have typed cartoon image. I want to cartoon image.